you here for dinner, Mama? It's a buffet.
Well, I'm not changed.
You just need to take off your hat.
You talk as if that were easy.
I want every surface in this house to gleam and sparkle.
The post's just arrived, my lord.
Heavens. What is it? The King and Queen are coming to stay.
What?
Here we go.
A royal luncheon, a parade, and a dinner. I'm going to have to sit down.
I am the King's butler. We have come to Downton in advance of their Majesties.
The royal butler's terribly scary.
Stay out of our way.
I am their Majesty's chef.
I want the olive oil now.
He wants a clip round the ear, now.
I need your help, Carson.
I'll be there in the morning, my lady.
Can I help you at all?
I'm Lady Bagshaw's maid.
Might as well admit, I like her.
She is a scheming little minx. What piffle you talk.
There is no need to argue.
I never argue. I explain.
Our staff have nothing to do. Nothing. It's not right for us to be humiliated in this way.
Excuse me.
We want to defend Downton's honour.
We think we should fight back.
This is treason.
I have such a feeling that you can understand what's going on in my head.
The last few days have made me think, what are we doing? Should we really go on with it?
Downton Abbey's the heart of this community, and you're keeping it beating.
Here they come now.
Mr. Molesley?
Your Majesties, welcome to Downton Abbey.
Oh, can I help you?
Someone must, sir. I may never rise again.